Hello folks. Welcome to Upadhyay tutorial. This is the third lesson of the course on Cryptography and Network Security by Sourav. In this video, we are going to have a discussion on security attacks and their types. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So, let us start our discussion. We will start with knowing what security attacks are and then we shall study what are the different types of security attacks. Here we go. To start with, a security attack is an attempt to gain unauthorized access to information resources or services, or an attempt to harm or damage an information system. A security attack is a form of malicious action. An action is classified as malicious based on the security policy of the enterprise to which the system belongs. There are two types of security attacks. They are active attacks and passive attacks. Let us know what do these mean. An active attack is one that attempts to alter the system resources or affect their operations. These involve some modification of the data stream or the creation of a false statement. Not so clear, right? Okay. Let us try to understand this type of attack with the help of a very simple example. Here we go. Suppose, someone gets to know the login credentials of your Facebook account. What can he do next? What do you think? Yes, you are right. If the person has malicious intentions, he'll log into your Facebook account. Let's suppose that he does so and furthermore, he changes the password and the recovery methods for the account. Now, as you know, this is a security attack and since the information linked to the account is changed, therefore, this attack is an active attack. Active attacks are easy to detect as they cause visible changes. In the example we can see that you will not be able to log into your account after the attack and that's how the attack is detected. There are four types of active attacks: masquerade, modification of messages, replay, and denial of service. We'll learn about them in detail later. Now that we have understood what active attacks are, let us move on further to understand the other type of security attack, that is, passive attack. Passive attacks are the type of attacks in which the attacker observes the content of messages or copy the content of messages. Passive attack is a danger for confidentiality. Unlike active attacks, passive attacks do not cause any harm to the system. In passive attacks, the victims do not get informed as there are no visible changes to the system. To make it absolutely clear, let us understand passive attacks with the help of a simple example as we did for the active attacks. Here we go. Suppose, as in our earlier example, someone gets to know the login credentials for your Facebook account. In the earlier case, he changed the password and recovery methods. Is this the only thing that he can do? Well, no. He can also silently log in your account and keep observing your activities. And gain access to your private information. Now, this is difficult for you to detect unless you keep visiting the settings to check the devices where your account is logged in or you keep your notification for a login switched on. This is a danger to confidentiality as compared to the active attacks which are dangerous to integrity and availability. I hope you have understood what passive attacks are. There are two types of passive attacks, which are release of message content and traffic analysis. We will learn about these two in detail later. So, that's all in this video. In the next one, we will learn in detail about the different types of active and passive attacks that have been mentioned in this video. Please like this video and share it among your friends, family and relatives. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet and press the bell icon so that you receive notifications. I will be back very soon with another awesome video on an interesting topic. Till then, stay connected. Thank you.